Hello everyone. So this is the time for our third question. So without any further ado, let's begin. So our question is that a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified image. So 3 times magnified means magnification is given as 3. Now image is real of an object placed at 10 centimeters in front of it. Where is the image located? Right, so magnification and the object distance is given. We have to calculate the image distance. But now the question is that how should we begin this? Well, we can simply end this question within 1 or 2 steps, but we are not going to do this. We are going to make this question even more interesting, right? So now let's just imagine. So let's imagine that we have a concave mirror. Okay, now there is a focus, there is a 2F. Now where should our object be placed in order to get a magnified and a real image? Okay, so let's say that we have kept our object between the pole and the focus, but in this case the image is going to be virtual. We don't need this, right? So now let's move our object between the focus and the 2F, and we got it, right? So in this case the image would be enlarged as well as real, right? But how? So let's try to draw our ray diagram. Okay, so now let's take some of our special rays and draw our ray diagram. So we have one ray which goes parallel and passes from the focus. Now we have another ray which passes from the center of curvature, and we also has one more ray which passes or which hits the pole and get reflected. By the way, you can use any 2 of these 3 rays in order to get the image, right? So we have these 3 rays, by the way 2 are enough, and now here we got our image, right? So this was simply our ray diagram, but now we are going to go a little bit more deeper. So now we are going to take these 2 triangles. You can see these colored triangles, and we are going to take them separately over here. So these 2 triangles are not normal, they have a relation between them. So you can see here that those 2 angles are 90 degrees and the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, right? So these 2 angles are equal, and this gives us AA similarity. By the way, if you don't know, you can check that out. But so we are not going to discuss that here. It's going to be a completely different topic. So we have AA similarity. What does this mean? So in AA similarity, the ratios of the corresponding sides of the triangle are same. Let me explain you. So if magnification is given as 3, so it simply means that if the object height is 1, then the image height is going to be, yes, 3 times of it. It means 3 in this case, right? So we have the object height as 1 and the image height as 3. So now here we got our ratio as 1:3. So these were the 1 pair of corresponding sides. Now there are 2 more pair of corresponding sides, and we have to apply the same ratio in the other 2 also. Now we have that side as the object distance and that one as the image distance. Now the object distance is given as 10. So now tell me, what is going to be the image distance? Apply that 1:3, the ratio 1:3. So it is going to be 10 into 3. So the image distance is 30 in this case. And we got our answer. That's what they have asked, right? So we got our image distance as 30 centimeters. But more precisely, it is going to be minus 30 centimeters. Why? Because we know that our image is on the left side of the mirror and left is negative from our sign convention. So we got our image distance as minus 30 centimeters. So that's what I was trying to tell you, that you can visualize such questions and make them even more interesting and even more fun. So I hope that you understood this question in this way, but let's try to solve this in our usual way also. So let's write all the things which are given. Okay, so we have magnification equals to minus V by U. Okay, now we have 3 equals to minus V by minus 10. I am taking the object distance as minus 10 because our object is on the left side and left is negative. Be careful while putting the sign. right? So we have 3 equals to minus v by minus 10, and now take that 10 on the other side, and we got again the same answer, v equals to 30 centimeters. So right now our value is positive. It seems as if we have made some mistake, and we actually did. So in the place of magnification we wrote 3 or positive 3, but it is not going to be positive 3, it is going to be negative 3. Why? So from our ray diagram, as you can see here, the image is inverted, and whenever the image is inverted, it simply means the magnification is going to be negative. That's what that minus sign shows there. So if the magnification is negative, the image is inverted, and if the magnification is positive, the image is going to be erect. Simple, right? So here we can use that simple logic, and we can write our magnification as minus 3 instead of positive 3. And now if we will solve this, we will get our answer as minus 30 centimeters. So we got our answer very simply, right? I hope that you all enjoyed it, and now thank you very much for watching, and join me in the next video.